In your opinion, why is it important more women take up engineering in the near future?
I think that it's really important to attract a diverse workforce, and that engineering is no different. There is a lot of evidence out there that demonstrates that in a modern workplace, a more diverse workforce has a positive impact on both creativity and productivity, as you're then able to get the huge benefits from different skill sets, different approaches and expertise. It's also really important for our industry that in order to thrive and not just survive, that we have access to the absolute best possible pool of candidates to choose from. And I firmly believe that women pursuing STEM subjects and considering engineering as an exciting and fulfilling career is definitely a crucial part of this.
As a woman in engineering, are there people you looked up to or look up to now, either in engineering or out with?
The female engineers I really looked up to because I didn't ken any. But then coming to Apollo, the senior engineer that I work with a lot is Rosa, so me and her work quite a lot together.
Do you believe encouraging engineering and STEM subjects from a young age is crucial to more women entering into engineering professions?
Yeah, definitely. I think there's a big confusion surrounding engineering, actually what engineering is, which I think helps the situation, because when I was at academy, I didn't think engineering was, so I didn't think it was a career option for me. And younger than that, like the challenges we've been running through Apollo, like the build your rockets and the food white, is just sort of get younger children just starting to think about how stuff works, like gravity in motion and stuff, and just starting to think and ask questions, I think, is a big part of it.
Would you still consider engineering male dominated? If so, how could we change that perception?
Yeah, I did. However, at Apollo, we've definitely bucked the trend, and our emphasis has always been on recruiting the very best talent in the industry and considering technical, soft skills and experience. And this is partly why we really lead the way in providing a great working environment for everyone. The good thing about this, of course, is that we're really building a solid and credible cohort of female mentors who are ready to guide and support the next generation of engineers so that they can develop their skills.
Would you still consider engineering male dominated? If so, how could we change that perception?
Really a perception. It's actually, it is what it is just now. And the only way you can change it is to have more women take up engineering courses and take up engineering jobs. And then that'll start filtering through into industries, and then you would see more. So it doesn't feel like when you enter a room, you're, 1 out of 3 people in the room that are women. It'll just be kind of 50-50.
How can we change that perception?
Media representation, I think, is a big factor. Growing up in the Northeast, obviously oil and gas was on the news a lot. It was on the news. It was men in boiler suits offshore. It wasn't females in boiler suits offshore, and it wasn't females in offices.
What advice would you give a woman considering engineering?
Just go for it. Hopefully you will find it challenging, interesting, and hopefully fulfilling.